The universe is vast, it's filled with mysteries, we've only just begun to explore its wonders. But one thing is clear, intelligence is a powerful force, it drives innovation, it shapes our world. Imagine a future where intelligence is not limited to humans. Picture a world where AI is accessible to all. This is the promise of GaiaNet. GaiaNet is a new kind of network. It's a decentralized AI infrastructure. It allows anyone to create and share AI agents. These agents can learn and evolve. They can solve complex problems. They can improve our lives in countless ways. Join us as we explore the potential of GaiaNet. Discover how it's changing the way we think about AI. Let's unlock the power of decentralized intelligence together. What exactly is GaiaNet? It's a global network of computers, but it's more than that. It's a collaborative ecosystem for AI. Instead of relying on centralized servers, GaiaNet is decentralized. This means it's spread across many different computers. These computers are called nodes. Each node on GaiaNet contributes resources. These resources include processing power and storage. This makes GaiaNet powerful and resilient. No single point of failure exists. GaiaNet is open and accessible to everyone. Anyone can join the network. You can contribute your computer's resources. You can also access and utilize AI agents. Let's look closer at how GaiaNet works. We begin with the nodes. Each node is like a citizen in a vast digital society. They communicate and collaborate. They share resources and information. These nodes are organized into domains. Domains are like specialized communities within GaiaNet. Each domain focuses on a specific area of expertise. For example, there might be a domain for healthcare, one for finance, and another for education. Within each domain, AI agents are developed and trained. These agents are designed to solve specific tasks. A healthcare AI agent might analyze medical images. A finance AI agent could help manage investments. Because GaiaNet is decentralized, the development of AI agents is open and collaborative. This fosters innovation and rapid progress in the field of AI. Section 4. The power of GaiaNet, security, customization, and scalability. GaiaNet offers several advantages over traditional AI systems. One key advantage is security. Because GaiaNet is decentralized, it's much more resistant to attacks. There's no single point of failure that hackers can target. Another advantage is customization. GaiaNet allows users to create and customize AI agents to meet their specific needs. This is unlike centralized AI systems, which often offer limited customization options. Finally, GaiaNet is incredibly scalable. As more nodes join the network, GaiaNet becomes more powerful. This means it can handle increasingly complex AI tasks. It can also support a growing number of users and applications. Section 5. GaiaNet in action, transforming industries with AI. GaiaNet is already making a difference in various fields. In healthcare, GaiaNet AI agents are helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. They can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to detect abnormalities. In education, GaiaNet is being used to create personalized learning experiences for students. AI agents can assess individual learning styles and tailor educational content accordingly. The financial industry is also benefiting from GaiaNet. AI agents can analyze market data, identify trends, and make investment recommendations. This helps investors make more informed decisions. These are just a few examples of how GaiaNet is transforming industries with the power of decentralized AI. Section 6. Joining the GaiaNet revolution, your first steps. Ready to explore the world of GaiaNet? Getting started is easier than you might think. First, visit the GaiaNet website and download the software. This software will allow your computer to join the GaiaNet network as a node. Next, choose a domain that interests you. This could be healthcare, education, finance, or any other field that GaiaNet supports. Once you've joined a domain, you can start exploring the available AI agents. You can also contribute to the development of new agents by sharing your data and expertise. Section 7. The future is decentralized. Embrace the power of GaiaNet. We stand at the dawn of a new era. The age of decentralized intelligence is upon us. GaiaNet represents a profound shift in how we think about and interact with AI. It empowers individuals. It fosters collaboration. It unlocks the potential for solving some of humanity's greatest challenges. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The power of AI should be accessible to all. Join the GaiaNet movement and help us shape a brighter future powered by decentralized